Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Bootstrap. So there are two ways to install Bootstrap. One is we can download Bootstrap and then install it, and the second one is through Cdn we can install it. So I have mentioned this link in the description from where you can download Bootstrap, and after downloading we'll get this zip folder. We are extracting this folder, then we'll get these two folders, CSS and JS. Now we'll delete this zip folder and then we'll open. First we rename this folder. Okay, download. Now we'll open this folder in our editor. Now we'll create a new file. We'll save it with index.html. Now we'll add title to this page, Bootstrap. Then we need to link CSS file from the CSS folder, which is bootstrap.min. CSS folder / bootstrap.min.css. Then we are going to add JavaScript file, bootstrap.min.js. Inside JS folder, bootstrap.min.js. Now we need to add Jquery Cdn. So I've mentioned this link in the description. So we'll go to minified and we'll copy this code and paste it here, and we'll remove this integrity. Now we'll go to the official website of Bootstrap. Then we'll go components, and then we'll go to forms, and we are going to add this form code to check that our Bootstrap is successfully installed or not. So yeah, we are going to open this file in browser. Yes, Bootstrap is successfully installed. Now we'll remove all these links, and now so yeah, now we are going to install Bootstrap through CDN, that is Content Delivery Network, and you can see links. The first link is for CSS. So we paste that link here. Then the second one is for optional theme, but it's better to add this link. And the third one is for JavaScript. And also we need to add this Jquery Cdn. And now we remove this integrity. Now just save the file and we are going to see the output. Yes, Bootstrap installed.